Another very common error that we see when adding cost codes to projects, I'm going to show you right now. If I go to add from catalog, I'm going to make that bigger so it's easier to see. So let's just say I want to add in my concrete cost code parent. I'm going to add subs. And then my masonry cost code parent, I'm going to add subs, or I'm going to attempt to. So if I try to save that, I'm going to get an error telling me another cost code with given value already exists. So despite the cost code number being different, because they're both named subs, it's not going to let me add them in. So in that scenario, I could come in here and I'm going to rename this to concrete subs. Instead, save that. And now, brings me back to the beginning again. So now I want to go concrete subs, masonry subs. I mean, you could also, rename that and call it masonry subs, but now that they're different, it's going to allow me to save them. So I'm going to save that, and that has gone through. So now I have my subs and my concrete subs added to my project. So it's not based off of the cost code number, it's based off of the actual name. So you cannot have cost codes with the same name despite them having different numbers. So important to keep in mind, but it's going to error out if you try to do that anyway. So if you do see that error, that is the fix for it. You're just going to have to rename some of those cost codes. Sometimes you could just maybe take out an S or add in an S to make your life easier. If it's something like this, where it's, part of multiple different cost codes, give the parent cost code name at the top of it or something like that, just to help out. So hopefully that helps.